खूबसूरती का मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ खूबसूरत चेहरा, खूबसूरत दिमाग या खूबसूरत दिल का होना ही नहीं, बल्कि खूबसूरत आत्मा का भी होना है. Beauty is not about just having a pretty face, a pretty mind or a pretty heart. It is all about a beautiful soul. Hey ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. I am from Global Spoken English and I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. I am very honored to stand here today to speak a phrase. And the phrase name is, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I know guys, if I ask you that what is the real beauty, your answer would be that just a beautiful face and a pretty mind and a pretty personality. But today I will tell you that what is the real beauty. I am gonna tell you guys a story. After listening that story, you people will understand that what is the real meaning of beauty. A beautiful woman went to fortune teller to ask her future. The fortune teller told her that she would live a long and prosperous life. However, the woman was not satisfied with his answer. She wanted to know that if she would be beautiful forever. The fortune teller told her that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, which means everyone has their own definition of beauty. The woman was not happy with his answer at all. Rather, she wanted to know that if there was any way to guarantee that she would always be considered as a beautiful woman. The fortune teller told her that there is no any guarantee in life. But the fortune teller said the best way to ensure that you will always be considered beautiful is to be kind and to be loving towards others. Her life totally changed when she met a princess who was more beautiful than she. However, princess acted very arrogantly and proudly towards her villagers. She was very rude. She always used to speak bad about them. Her villagers were very worried to see her coming because they knew that if she came, she would just bring trouble for them. At the same time, the same people enjoyed in talking to that beautiful woman who went to the fortune teller to ask her future. She was surprised. She was surprised that a princess is coming, but people are more interested in talking about her and in talking to her than the princess. That time she realized, guys, that the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It is not about how you look on the outside. It is just about that how do you treat others. The beautiful woman realized that being beautiful on the outside does not mean that you are beautiful on inside. She learned that to be kind and to be loving towards others, it is the real beauty. And in the end, she was the only one who was truly beautiful. So it is my message to you all wonderful people, stop running behind the beautiful face and start running behind beautiful soul. Everyone is beautiful. Just we need to make our soul beautiful. And here you guys, I would like to present some Hindi line in front of you. खूबसूरती हर एक चीज के अंदर होती है, लेकिन हर कोई उसे देख नहीं पाता. I would like to express in English also. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. I hope you people got my point, and I hope you got to learn something from my message. I would like to end up my talk here with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with a great patience. Thank you so much and have a great day.